In this video, we will be talking about how you can use filters to see certain parts of your ensemble, such as one particular section of instruments or one particular grade level. So for example, I have here my first name, the first name of my students, their last name, their grade level, their instrument, and their email addresses in this column. Let's say I just want to see who my seniors are so that in case if I want to honor them at my concert. So I can go to first name and then just select all the data here. And then I can go up to where it says sort and filter and click on filter. You'll see that now we have these arrows that appear next to every column header. So let's say I want to see the seniors. You can click on this arrow right here and you'll see that you have the unique options here. So instead of 9 being repeated 12 times or so, you just have 9 written once. Same with 10, 11, and 12. So these are your unique options. Now, if you want to see just your seniors, you can uncheck select all and click on 12. And now you have all of your seniors. Now let's say I want to see who are the trumpets. Click on the arrow right here. Click on select all. Go down to where it says trumpet. And then you see you have all your trumpets there. So these are all of your seniors who are trumpet players. And then if you want to see all of your students again, you can either click on the filter button, click select all for both grade and instrument, or you can instead just go to sort and filter and click on filter, and now you have all of your students back as they were in the beginning.